Yeah, am I audible? Uh, Good day, all of you. Welcome to Microsoft Assembler training session. In this session, I will be discussing with you how to install the necessary tools to work with Microsoft Assembler 32. The first important point you need to remember is your Microsoft Assembler is works on 32-bit operating system. If you are having 64-bit operating system, then you need to first install the Dosbox software, which will help you to execute all those commands, which are 32-bit based. So let me share my screen with you, and I'll show you the installation process of both DOSBox as well as uh, your Masam. Okay, so uh, yeah, I'm sharing my screen with all of you so that you can see my desktop. Okay, this is the link. Uh, this is the link for installation of DOSBox. Okay, so please copy this link and just go to this website, uh, Chrome, and just type this or paste this file, and it will give you that you have a DOSBox installation. So you have to just install it. Yeah, now you see it is getting installed. It is actually downloading the file, not getting installed. Then the second important thing is you need to go to this file to download the assembler Masam. This again, you can go to new tab and just type. So you'll get this file, download it. It is a downloading file. Now we are ready with these two files. You can go to your downloads where these files have been downloaded. Yeah. Now this is what we have downloaded, the two files. Okay, file 1 and file 2. Now first what you have to do is you have to install this DOSBox. Before installation, I think you can take this file, uh, copy it, or right click it, uh, copy in the C drive directly. Okay, yeah, I just paste it. So just I'm pasting this file. Yeah, the problem with this machine is it is asking administrative privileges. So I cannot, because the system is asking me permission, administrative permission to perform this task. And the problem is this computer is on KKU domain, and we cannot install or copy any files on our own. So what I'll do is, I think you have permission for your computer, so you just copy this into C drive and right click it and click on extract files. Okay, so when you extract files, all files will be extracted in a folder called 8086. Okay, So I'm waiting for it. I right click, extract files. What is this? I don't want all these things. I want to extract only this file. Oh, I think it's showing here. So yeah, let us extract this, and I got this Masam, and no need of this. So this is your Microsoft assembler, and here you will see that you have all the tools. This is a debug tool, and you have edit and exe to bin, link, Masam, tasm. All these things are available. So make sure that you have copied all this in this folder, which is having all these tools are copied into C drive. Okay, I cannot copy this because of some problem of permissions. Let me check again. If I go directly and just paste it here, see, yeah, now it has pasted. That's great. So now we have got this file. But the problem is I cannot install the downloads. Okay, for installing Dosbox, you have to double click on this Dosbox. So again, the problem is of permissions. So I cannot install it. Okay, so just we have learned in this session how to download these two files and how to extract files 8086 into our C drive. In the next part of the video, at other computer, I will show you the installation of Dosbox. Okay, so it's very easy that you can do in this way. I'll just show you a link in which Dosbox installation is carried out. So maybe this, yeah. See, this is the Dosbox installation. So let me share this screen with you. Uh, so yeah, now you might have seen it.
So what? Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and use DOSBox on your Windows operating system. So what is DOSBox? DOSBox is an emulator which emulates MS-DOS on your Windows PC. So it also emulates graphics and video card or any other games on your Windows PC. So suppose you want to play DOS games on your Windows PC, how can you do it? Using DOSBox. So let's see how we can install DOSBox. Just go to your Google search and just write here DOSBox, and the first link you will see here is www.dosbox.com. So it is an open source DOS emulator for BEOS, Linux, Mac OS, Windows PC, and different operating systems, right? So I'm going to just click this first link, and in here I will go to the download section here, downloads tab. If you want more information about DOSBox, you can just go to frequently asked question or FAQ or information, and you can gather more information about DOSBox. So I will just go to this downloads tab here, and in here you can see, click here to download DOSBox 0.744.4 0.74, I beg your pardon, for your operating system. So just click download now, and it will guide you to the SourceForge link, and DOSBox will be downloaded. It is a very light uh, file, and it's just 1415 KB file. So it's very small file. And once it's downloaded, you just need to click this executable file and just click yes, and the installation of DOSBox will start. So just click next, and if you want to create icon or shortcut on your desktop, you can just keep this checked, right, and click next. And this is where your DOSBox will be installed. In my system, it will be installed in C program files x86 slash DOSBox here. So now just go to click install, and you can see DOSBox is installed in your system. Just close this. Now, in order to see DOSBox really works on our Windows operating system, let's download a simple game from a website which provide free DOS games, right? So I'm going to write here DOS games, and the first site you see here is www.dosgames.com, and in here you will find many free DOS games. Okay, so I'm going to just go to the games here, and I'm going to download educational kids game, and let's download this file, which is really small 82K file. So I will download this balloons. Okay, so or just download this baby type, any DOS game which you want to play. I'm just showing you a sample how you can use DOSBox. Okay, so I'm going to download this baby type zip, and it will be downloaded. Once this zip file is downloaded, what I'm going to do is I'm going to my computer. So you can just go to start and click computer, and in here in your drive, you can go to a C drive or you can go to E drive. It doesn't really matter. So just go to a particular drive in which you want to store your game. So just I'm going to E drive, and in here I will create a new folder called DOS games, for example. DOS games, and in here I'm going to extract my downloaded file. So this is baby type, and I'm going to extract this file to my E folder, and in here DOS games. Okay, so I will search for this DOS games here. Here it is. I will click OK, and you can see here in the DOS games this game is downloaded, or this zip file is extracted, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'll go to my desktop and I will start or fire up my Dosbox from here. So just fire up your Dosbox, and in here what you will see here is this kind of terminal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount this DOS games to my Dosbox terminal. So what I will do is I will give a command called mount C. So we are going to mount our game to the C folder or C drive, and then give the path of your game. So your path is e:/DOS games. You can find it here, right? So I'm going to just type the same. I will write e colon and then slash DOS games and press enter. And you can see drive C is mounted as local directory, this one. Okay. Now once your games directory is mounted, you just need to go to your C drive. So you can just give the command C colon and press enter. So now you are in your C drive, right? And now in your C drive, which is uh, linked to this e/DOS games, you have this game called baby type, right? So you can just see here our application file name is baby type in capital. Okay, so just see here that the application, the type is application, and this application executable file name is baby type. So I will just type here baby type. I hope I have spelled it right, and press enter. And now you can see the game has started here, which is baby type. Okay, so do you speak English? Yes, I speak English, and I will press enter, and I can play this game, right? So in this way you can install DOSBox in your Windows PC and play DOS games or perform other DOS related tasks in your Windows PC using DOSBox. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment.
This is how your DOS box is used for running DOS applications. Okay. So in this session, I think we'll stop here, and in another part of the session, I'll be teaching you how to mount this to our 8086 folder and run Hello World program. Okay. So I'm stopping here this part and continue with another part.